see it. What is it? Hey, and welcome back to These Days. I am Jackie, and today I am going to be going over an unboxing of the Land of Storybooks subscription box with my kiddos. The Land of Storybooks subscription box is actually a subscription box that is monthly, and you get a novel with it, and you get usually 2 activities with it, and an adventure guide. It's a really cool box. I recently did a video on what it is, so I'm gonna link that above, and you can check that out if you're interested. Otherwise, let's hop into this unboxing, and you guys can see what the November box is all about. Let me see it. What is it?
No. Another note?
Yeah.
Another book?
You know what it is? It is the book Farmer Boy, and it comes with an adventure guide, and it comes with a candle making kit this month and ornament making kit of little horses.
There, we have to use this. Wait, can you open mine, Tickle? Tickle. Bells? Why is it bells when it's nighttime? Look.
Oh, that's cool.
That's
What'd you get? The boys jumped right into making the horses. They had so much fun with that. And we have not gotten to the candle making yet, but I'm sure it will be a lot of fun once we do.
Look at my horse bud. Look. Yeah. That was easy.
Oh, it looks awesome.
Wait, the string. We also.
So we got in through the first chapter of the book during this sitting and reading together. And one thing that I really love, and the kids do too, is the colorful photos in the book of Farmer Boy. What we've had before is just plain black and white photos. So it is exciting to see some color photos as I read. And every maple and yeah. It bent the green about to do was she always knew what was best to do, and she made Almanzo and Alice do it. Almanzo hurried behind. One thing about the Land of Storybooks subscription kit is that each month you get access to a private board that's been created by the makers of the subscription box. You can just really almost turn it into a little unit study if you want to by doing all of the activities on the board. And that is the November Land of Storybooks subscription box. Farmer Boy is something we have read, but when I opened up the book, my kids were like, we don't remember this very well. So it's cool that we're diving into it. I really love the addition of the book that we got. The one that we have is just in black and white, and this particular book is a collector's edition, and it's full color, so it's really awesome, and the activities are just so fun this month. Anyway, we're excited to continue reading it, and I hope you guys check out the Land of Storybooks and their Instagram, their website. They have a really cool thing going on, and they also offer boxes that are from previous months, so you could always do that if you're not ready to subscribe to the box. You can just order previous month boxes, so that is an option also. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video fun and exciting, and I hope you guys have a really awesome day.